Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I am going to show you how to add bank account in Binance. Now here you have to open Binance app and here you have to click on top left Binance icon. After that you have to again click on top right setting icon. After clicking on the settings, you have to scroll down a bit. Now here you will see an option payment method, you have to click on it. When you click on the payment method, you will see the option of P2P payment method, so you have to click on it. Now here you have to click on add payment method. After that you have to select your bank here. After selecting the bank, you have to write your bank holder's name at the top and your account number at the bottom. After writing the number you have to click on confirm. Now here you can turn on additional verification through your mobile phone or through your email. So here I select my mobile phone. Now here you guys have to complete its verification through your mobile phone or email. This will happen that whatever transaction happens to you, you will get a notification. Now here I quickly verify the mobile phone. In this way you can also turn on verification through your email. Once your verification is complete, your bank account will be linked with the Binance. In this way you can add bank account in Binance.